Matter equals energy equals consciousness. We have more control over how we affect physical matter. But we seem to think that it has this life of its own. And through consciousness and through thought, we can actually alter physical matter. When I first started out, I believed that the art object had a power to change the world. How idealistic that is, but I still do at this age think that it's a possibility. And it was all through the act of contemplation that we came in relationship with the art object. And then I started to, as I began reading more about physics and science of energy and energy connection, that I came to realize that we bring a whole lot more to the act of contemplation. Our thoughts truly do alter reality. We create reality with our thoughts. So I thought, how can I do this as an artist? How can I make these objects that I can actually invite the viewer to participate in and bring their thought and their intention into the process and watch it change my artwork, or them, and the world around us. So that's how I started creating these objects. My process has been this intuitive process of making these connections between my study of Buddhism and meditation and electronics. Learning electronics for me taught me more about human relationships and behavior because the analogies of who we are as human beings is all there in electronics. You know, we design in the likeness of who we are. So by studying electronics, I learned about negative and positive, yin yang, and energy connections and transducers and capacitors and storage of energy and output of energy, and it's all there in our own bodies. And so then I started reading more about physical matter and quantum physics through the eyes of scientists who kind of crossed over into their own discoveries of Eastern mysticism and quantum physics. And the theory goes that we have more control over the physical world than we ever imagined, that through thought and intention we can embed consciousness into the physical world around us, not only into one another as human beings, but into our electronic devices, into our artwork, our objects,